Look at these crusty crusts right here. Yeah, we gotta take care of these right here. That's why we're here. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing this polygel kit from Saviland. They are a Amazon seller, and I will be giving myself a full set as well. But before we get into the video, I want to give a big shout out to these 3 people who had their post notifications on. So thank you guys so much for having your post notifications turned on. And if you would like to get a shout out like these 3 people, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on. That way you can be the first 3 people to comment on my videos, and you will get a shout out in my very next video. All right, so here's obviously what the box looks like, and then here is the back of the box. I don't know why I always love to show the back, but some people might want to know. Now let's open her up. Here we are. Now I already opened it up, so I already know what's in here, and I already did a set on my TikTok with this polygel kit, but I wanted to come on YouTube and show my subscribers on YouTube. So here we have a nail form, and then we have some forms right here, and these are the curved forms. And then we have our polygel. I love how they have a marble display color on the tube, but that's not how the color is. It's just a regular solid red color, but you know what, it's okay because there's still some pretty gorgeous colors. So it comes with 7 polygel tubes here, as y'all can see, and then we have a 100 180 grit nail file, some polygel solution, top and base gel polish, and then we have this brush, and y'all can see I already used it, and I need to clean that because look at that. I think I might want to try to use these nail forms here for this video, so let's go ahead and do that because I'm kind of running out of nail tips. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but when it comes to polygel, I don't really like using these nail forms, but these I don't mind. I have the link down in the description so you guys can go check it out. But I wanted to do some swatches on these polygel so you guys can see the different colors that comes within the kit. All right, so the first one we have is a clear, and I think we all know what clear looks like. Just like that. This is great for like mixing glitters in with polygel and making a nice glitter set. This one is called Royalty Gold, and it's a nice gold glitter. Get that. I think this one is like my favorite out of the whole set. This is Rose Red, and it doesn't really give me the color red, but that is how that one is looking. This one is called Wedding Ring, and as you guys can see, I've already been in this one. And it really does remind you of a wedding ring. Look at that. This one is called Night Black. It's black, but it's slightly translucent. You can see a little bit here. See how it's not a solid black? You can see through it. This one is called Magenta, but this one reminds me more of a red than the other one that was called Rose Red. Look at that. It looks a little pink when I spread it out, but lastly, we have Cinnamon Pink. To me, it reminds me of a nude color. So for the set that I have in mind, I want to start with this cinnamon pink because I really want a nude, but I'm definitely busting these bad boys out. But first, we have to prep. So I'm going to start with buffing my nails, removing the shine from my natural nail. And then I'm going to take my cuticle pusher here and push back my cuticles and clean them up as needed. Now I'm going to take this base coat here and just apply it to all of my fingers. And I'm going to cure this for about 30 seconds. Let's open this baby up. So the base coat is going to be a little tacky, but that's normal. That's okay. Here is our nail form. And honestly, I'm not an expert when it comes to nail forms. I just kind of wing it based on what I've seen others do. As y'all know, I'm not a nail tech, but I really make sure it's snug right there where the form is under the nail. Snug but comfortable at the same time. And then I kind of pinch it right here and up here. So it looks like that. So I'm gonna pour some of the polygel solution into this dapping dish. It doesn't come with a dapping dish. I had one laying around. All right, now here's the fun part. So I'm gonna take my cinnamon pink and I actually put it directly on my nail, but a little before the cuticle. Matter of fact, let me put some more. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit. And I'm really going to pat it flat at first. And then once we get down here, kind of focus on the shape. And see how these lines kind of guide you down into the perfect square shape. I dragged it all the way down here to, I think that says 4, and that is how it looks from a side view. And now I'm going to go ahead and just cure this and then build on top of that. I'm just going to take this off and I'm going to pinch it from the bottom. Voila. Ew, it didn't cure at the bottom. I'm going to cure this bottom. Put some more right before the cuticle. And we're going to try to make like a little apex here. I'm just going to wet my brush up. And I'm going to push like a little bit up towards the cuticle area. Not too much because we don't want to overflow the cuticle. But just enough. Just like that. And then the rest, we can just drag it down. And then I have enough product on my finger to create an apex. Alright, and this extra little flab, I'm just gonna like, if I can get it off. There we go, there we go. Okay, come on. And now I can cure that and then do the rest of my nails as well. It looks a little crazy right now, but y'all know what I always say, trust the process because it gets better. Ooh. Okay. One of the things I do like about this polygel is, I don't know if you guys get this issue, but sometimes polygel leaves a gummy finish to it, even after curing. But this one doesn't. Like, it's hard, not gummy. But if you do have that problem and your polygel is gummy, even after you sit underneath the UV nail lamp for a good minute, just get some alcohol and rub it against the polygel, and that'll get you ready for filing. But we are ready for filing, so let's clean up a bit and get to filing. So when I file, I like to use an 80 grit file because it just gets the job done quicker. But I go in on each side of the nail, making sure my file is nice and straight. And then once you're satisfied with that, look at how that looks underneath. You want to give underneath the nail some love on both sides. And then the free edge, of course. And then get the sides and round them out a bit. Then file downward in the middle of the nail. And we're all filed. I kind of did the pinky more coffin than square like the rest of the nails, but we're gonna roll with it. You can see it's a lot going on underneath that nail right there. So just gonna take my drill and drill it down so that it's even and looks nice and neat. There we go. And now I'm just gonna take my buffer and buff everything out to remove all of those scratches. Okay, so we're about to do some French on these nails. So I brought out my Saviland paint gel polish to do these French nails with. This comes with either, I want to say 36 or 26 colors. Here she is. I'm about to put my phone back on this. Ooh, there we go. So here is all of the colors. I'm about to put my phone back on this tripod so y'all can get a better view. Okay, so here it is right here. So it comes with every color you can think of, literally. But let's pick a color. I really like this mint color right here. I don't know what I want to do. Ooh, so many colors to choose from. I don't know why the white looks like cottage cheese, but that's just what it is. Let's try and cover this white on this nail. So I think I want to do the pointer finger, this color here. Don't mind the mess on my stone. Okay, all right, now we can go ahead and it didn't quite cover it all the way. But I might do a little gold outline on the French line to see if it covers it. So here's how they look after I put the gold around the French line. I mean, it camouflages the white on this pointer finger right here, but you can still see just a tad bit. But you know what? I think regardless, it still looks nice. I'm gonna take some top coat. This is the top coat from the polygel kit that we just got finished using. And we're gonna go ahead and top it right on off. Can't forget about the cuticle oil because I'm looking a little ashy around the cuticles. So this is the finished product of these French polygel nails from Saviland. I'm going to give this polygel a 10 out of 10. It's so easy to work with. It doesn't have that gummy finish to it after you're finished curing it under the UV nail lamp. I love it. You can find all the materials used in the description down below, so be sure to click that link and check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review video. Thank you to Saviland for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.